So this is how you connect two JBL speakers using the Auracast technology via the JBL Portable app. So let's open the JBL Portable app. This is a companion app for JBL speakers, and then it will discover the products. So first, let's on this JBL Go 4. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on, so it will be automatically detected and it will be connected with the app. There's a prompt there, and there you go, it is now connected. And of course, let's connect the other speaker. So let's connect the JBL Clip 5 at this point. It will automatically discover it and it's all connected. Then let's press this button right here to add the speaker. So this is the party together button. That's the second on the second row at the bottom. So let's first add the JBL Go 4 and then the JBL Clip 5. So both are connected, and now let's play some music. So this is a very simple tutorial on how you can connect both speakers. So as the music is playing, let's check it out. The JBL Go 4 right there, sounding now, and you can hear that. And then here you go, the JBL Clip 5. There you go. Let's volume it up. And then that's it. That's how simple it is to use both speakers and connect it with the JBL Portable app. This is called the Auracast technology of the JBL speakers. Now make sure your speakers are Auracast compatible. So that's it. Thanks for being here. This is Rye. Please subscribe.